This was recommended by Cheesehead Chris. Joseph's Lavish bread. This came from Walmart. Aisle 34A is by the bread, where the bread is. And it's just laying flat. But there's 4 flatbreads in here. 60 calories, 6 grams of protein, 8 carbohydrates. I think it's ready. Let's dig in. Now that's complete. Breakfast pizza. It's beautiful. That is celery and bok choy greens on top with a little tomato, egg, pepperoni, mushroom, bell pepper, little sweet peppers, and of course Texas Pete. Look at that. Look at the structure. $2.75 for about, I don't know, 25 minutes, I suppose. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. Mm. Tastes as good as it looks.